move it.
Hello. I'm currently in a wildlife area, wildlife refuge. You can probably hear the birds, but I'm here with with a large camera, and I'm gonna attempt to shoot some birds, pictures, not with guns. I've never actually used this lens for anything outside of astrophotography, so I figured I'm just gonna walk around and try to see if I can take any cool pictures. It's the Sigma 150 to 500, and then I think it's the 5 to 6.3. It is made for Canon EF mounts, but I have it adapted to my Sony A7III. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm looking for some birds. If I find any, I'll let you know. So this is it. I have a monopod right here that I'm gonna use, because everyone knows when you use something this zoomed in, you can think about moving and your whole camera looks like this through the viewfinder. So see if I can get this on here. It's one of those cheap Sunpack tripods, and you can take out the center part of it, and it's a monopod. So yeah, this thing's a big daddy. I've never actually used this thing, like I said previously, for anything that it was probably meant for. So we're just going to we're just gonna see what happens. This thing's huge. It's not even zoomed out yet. Hold on. Look at, oh, that's how big this thing is. I'm a 600 pounds, 8 foot tall for reference. All right, let's see what we can get. So I've been taking most of the shots by these bird feeders because it's kind of convenient. Yeah, we got one right there and then one right behind me. We've been just sitting right here, honestly, just trying not to move too much, so they just get used to me, and then just freely go and land so I can take pictures of them. So that's what I've been doing for the last like few minutes or so. One of the issues that I'm coming across is just autofocus performance. Since it is an adapted lens from Canon to Sony, it's not perfect, but there should be some decent shots. It does search quite a bit, but I saved a lot of money, so yeah, we'll just continue shooting these.